Hey guys, so I was able to get some specs of the Oukitel WP22 and I'll be comparing the specs with that of the Oukitel WP21. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the design of both devices are different. The WP21, as we know, has a rear display, while the WP22 doesn't. On the right side of both devices is a power button and volume keys. Embedded on the power button is a fingerprint scanner. On the other side, there's a customizable key and a SIM and SD card slot. Both devices have the same display, a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display, but the Oukitel WP22 has a 90Hz refresh rate, while the WP21's refresh rate is 120Hz. The Oukitel WP22 is powered by the Helio G95, while the WP21 is powered by the Helio G99. Obviously, the Helio G99 is a superior and a much more modern processor. Both devices runs on the Android 12 OS. Let's move on to camera. Both devices features triple rear cameras, a 64-megapixel primary camera, 20MP night vision, and 2MP macro lens. The selfie of the Oukitel WP22 is 16MP, while the front camera of the Oukitel WP21 is 20MP. So the rear cameras of both devices are the same, but the front cameras are different. In terms of memory, the Oukitel WP22 utilizes 8GB RAM and there is 128GB internal storage, while the WP21 is equipped with 12GB RAM and it has 256GB internal storage. The battery capacity of the Oukitel WP22 is 300 mAh, while that of the Oukitel WP21 is 9800 mAh. I do not know the charging speed of the Oukitel WP22 for now, but that of the Oukitel WP21 is 66 watts. I'm expecting the Oukitel WP22 to have 18 watts or 33 watts fast charging. Both devices support NFC, they are both rated IP68 and IP69K, and both devices are also military standard 810H compliant. In terms of price, the Oukitel WP21 costs just $289. Currently, the Oukitel WP22 is available on AliExpress for $399. The price is expected to reduce once the device is officially released. So that's all for now, guys. These are the few specs of the Oukitel WP22 that I was able to get. As you can see, the Oukitel WP21 is equipped with better specs than the Oukitel WP22. But I'd like to hear your thoughts about both devices, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.